Hi everyone, take a bottle and cut it into half and make the hanging. Now we are going to make lotus flower. So make multiple cuts on the orange craft paper and paste it around the bottle using double-sided tape. Now we are going to make the petals. So fold the pink craft paper, draw the petals. We are also making lines on it. Then we are going to paste all the 3 strips of petals around the bottle one after another using double-sided tape. Finally we are pasting this green paper and look, it is ready. Now pull down all the petals like this. Put a fairy light inside it and look, your beautiful flower is ready. You can use it for festive seasons. In this video we are going to use these bamboo sticks and make a frame. Put a tissue paper on the top of it. Now make 4 such frames. We are also drawing beautiful flowers on it and it is a very great trick. Pour water on it and it will spread, and look how pretty these flowers are looking. Now join all of them. We are going to cover it from the top as well. Put fairy light inside it and look, your lamp is ready. We're going to roll this fairy light around this stick and put the fairy light inside this plastic cup. We are going to make a beautiful bunny, so fill it with cotton balls. Now we are going to paste the eyes and ears of the bunny. We are making it using craft paper. Paste all of them together and look, your bunny hanging is ready. You can also switch on the light and look, it is glowing. Look at this pineapple lamp. Let's make it. So take an empty plastic bottle and cover it using yellow fruit foam net. Now we are going to cut the crown using green craft paper. Paste all of them together like this. Now curl all the crown leaves like this. Then you can put a light inside and look, your lamp is ready. We are going to make this beautiful flower ball. Let's get started. For that we are going to fold this square printed floral paper. We are going to fold it from its side, open it and again fold it and make triangles from all its corners. Again open it and cut it using scissors like we are doing here. Flip it and start folding it. We are going to fold it from all its 4 corners and make mini 4 squares. Flip it and again we are going to fold it, pull it downwards and make heart shapes. We are going to make 4 such heart shapes, then make 6 such flowers and tuck all of them one after another and paste it like this. Now we are going to cover it from its bottom and top portion. Combine all of them and look, your beautiful flower ball is ready. Let's make this beautiful lantern. So cut this plastic bottle and make multiple cut on this red craft paper and join all of them together using double-sided tape. Now we are going to paste this yellow strip of paper for more decoration. Put fairy light inside it and look, it is ready. In this video we are going to make this beautiful lotus flower hanging. So let's get started. Take a green craft paper, cut it into half and start folding it. Flip it and fold it from its sides. We are going to make 4 such pieces. We are using different shades of pink. Now combine different 4 sets of paper together and tie it using a thread at the center. After this we are going to open all the petals one after another like we are doing here and look, a lotus flower is ready. After this we are going to take another piece of pink craft paper, make multiple cuts and paste it using double-sided tape around this thread and look, your hanging is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.